Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here to show you how to make some beef kofta kebabs. I know it's been such a long time, guys, and I apologize, but hopefully this is the beginning of consistent uploading. I have about 750 grams of 5% beef mince. I added about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I also added half an onion, finely diced, or as diced as I could make it. I'm also going to add some paprika. Sorry about my camera. It's about a tablespoon of paprika. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of ground black pepper. Next, we're going to add our onion powder. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this, literally because I am obsessed with onion powder. I don't know why. Look, I literally just added more. Then we're going to add some dried herbs because we don't have fresh parsley. If you do have fresh parsley, please use that, but I'm going to add dry herbs. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. If you guys know me, you know I love steak seasoning. I added about 2 teaspoons of steak seasoning. Then we're going to go ahead and add some cinnamon powder. I didn't add a lot of this. I added about maybe a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional, but you can add some chili powder. I don't want to add a lot because this one's actually quite hot. I'm going to add some golden breadcrumbs as well. I added about 2 tablespoons just to help everything meld together. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. I'm only adding a tablespoon because this flavor is actually quite strong, so you don't want to add too much. Now grab that clean hand of yours and you're going to combine those flavors together. You should already know how to do this. If you don't, just follow me. Don't worry guys, I've got you. Your ground beef should be looking like this. Just roll it into a ball and you can plastic wrap it for about a minimum of 20 minutes. Now you want to grab 5 large skewers. Don't ask me why I'm about to cut them, knowing it wouldn't work. So just go ahead and break them in half because that is the smartest thing to do, and it'll give you about 10 skewers, which is enough for this recipe. Now we're going to add some cooking spray or oil to our skewers. Don't worry, your beef koftas will not slide off the skewers. Now with this step, you're going to make sure that you're molding these very well. So the first step is you're going to lay your ground beef flat. Then you're going to grab your skewer and you're just going to start wrapping the ground beef around your skewer until you find that it is no longer in an awkward shape. So they should be looking just like these ones. When cooking your koftas, I would recommend using parchment paper instead of foil, only because foil has a tendency to stick to your food, which you do not want. Now you're going to pop them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. And once that is done, it looks so good, guys. And you're just going to spread that across your koftas. Don't worry, the koftas are not dry on the inside. It literally just looks cool. Like, look at the color it's giving it when you do that. And then once that is done, guys, your koftas are ready. They are done. They're ready to be served. And I want to say thank you guys for sticking around. Please subscribe to my channel. I've also made a new TikTok, and also follow me on Instagram if you have not seen that yet. I upload more consistently on there, but with YouTube, hopefully I'll be making a comeback very, very soon. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.